Welcome student for maths class chapter number 6, the triangle and its property, part 4. Student, in the last video we already studied about the exterior angle of a triangle and its property. In that we learn an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angle. And on the base of this property we solve our exercise 6.2, and today we are going to study about the another property, that sum of three sides of the triangle is equals to 180. So on this property we are going to solve our exercise 6.3. See first question. Find the value of the unknown x in the following diagram. So here triangle is given, in that 50 degree and 60 degree two measurement is shown here, and third one is an x, okay, that we have to find. And in B question, second one P, Q are given, in that one showing 30 degree, another x you have to find, and P showing right angle triangle. So let's start. In first question, what is given here? 50 degree and 60 degree. Now only I told which property you are going to study, that angle sum property of a triangle, in that the sum of all the three sides or three measurement of the triangle is equals to 180. Okay. So in this property, if you measure, we will get what? 180. In that one side is given, that is 50, and second one given here 60. So third side measurement we have to find. Now we already know that their sum will be 180. Okay. So let's write here x plus 50 plus 60 equals to what? 180. So when we add 50 and 60, we will get what? 110. Means x plus 110 equals to 180. Now here we have to find the measurement of x. So the sum of the property of a triangle is what here? 180. So 180 minus 110, we will get what? 70. So the value of x will be what here? 70. Now when we add this number, that 50 plus 60 plus 70, we will find it is equals to 180. Okay. So remember the property, that angle sum property of a triangle, which is equals to 180. Now see the second question. Again the same property we are using here. In that one measurement what given here? 30 degree, and x we have to find, along with second giving that right angle triangle. So if the measurement of P is not given, but we know that right angle triangle measurement is how much? It is 90 degree. So we will write here 90 plus 30 equals to 180. Okay. X we have to find here. So x plus 90 plus 30 equals to 180. So when we add, we will get what? 120. Means x plus 120 equals to 180. So here to find the value of x, we have to subtract 180 minus 120. So we will get what? 60. So here the third measurement of the angle showing 60 degree. Now again just do the addition of this number. 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 90, it is 180. Okay, here it is 90 and here it is 60. Okay, so 30 plus 60 plus 90, it's again 180. Okay, so here also we got the same property. In the same way, third and fourth question also we do here. Okay, x plus 30 plus 110, okay, equals to, it is here equals to 180. So add here 110 plus 30, we will get what? 140. So x plus 140 equals to 180. So value of x we will find by subtracting 180 minus 140. So we will get what? 40 degree. Okay. So the value of x will be what here? 40. Now do the addition here. 30 plus 40, 70. 70 plus 110, again it is 180. For your confirmation that our question is correct or not, you just do the addition orally. Okay, no need to show here. Now, so the value of x, what we got here? 40. Next one, see here. By angle sum property of a triangle, in that what given here? X we have to find, and only one side the measurement given, it is 50. So from this we come to know that this triangle is of an isosceles triangle where two sides are same. Okay, so the measurement of that two side will be same. Okay, now here we have to do x plus 50 equals to 180. Okay, so x plus x means what here? 2x plus 50 equals to 180. Now when we got 2x, okay, means the value of x whatever we find, we have to divide by 2. Okay, so that the measurement of that 2x will be same. So 180 minus 50, we will get what? 130. So now when we find the value of 1x, that means 130 divided by 2, it is 65. Okay, so this x value is also 65 and here also 65. So measurement of that two angle will be 65 because it is an isosceles triangle. So here when we add 65 plus 65, we will get 130, and 130 plus 50, it is again equals to 180. Okay, next question, see. Fifth one, here only you have to find the x, no measurement of given. So which type of triangle it is? This triangle is an equilateral triangle where all sides are equal. Okay, equal in their measurements. Equilateral triangle property we already studied that all sides or measurement will be equal. So we have to write like this: x plus x plus x equals to 180. So when we add, we will get what? 3x. 3x equals to 180. So value of x will be 180 upon 3. So we will get what? 60. So each value of x will be 60. So here also it is 60, 60 and 60. So when we add this, we will get 60 plus 60 plus 60 equals to 180. So which type of triangle it is? It is an equilateral triangle. Next question is 6th one. Now here by angle sum property of a triangle, we have what? X having 2x and 1 is right angle triangle, that is 90. Now in this question, find the value of x. Okay, we have to find the value of x. When we got the value of these x, we have to multiply by 2 to get this value here. Okay, to measure this degree. So what is given here? It's given x plus 2x plus right angle means 90. So it will be x plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180. Now add it. X plus 2x will be 3x plus 90 equals to 180. Okay. Now here 3x equals to 180 minus 90, we will get what? 90. Now we have to find the value of x only. Okay, so when you have to find the value of x, we will do divide there. 90 divided by 3, so we will get what? 30. So value of this x is what? 30. And here given 2x. 2x means what? 2 into 30, because now only we got the value of x is 30. So 30 into 2, it will be 60. So here value will be 60 and 90 degree here. Okay, so when we add, just see 30 plus 60 plus 90, again it is equals to 180. Understood? Next, second question, see. Find the value of the unknown x and y in the following diagram. Okay, now here we have to find the value of x and y. Two value we have to find. So first we will see what is given here. First given, see, in the interior x plus y plus 50 which is equals to 180. Now only we study. But in the last session we also study about the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay. So here that also given, exterior angle also given, interior also given, and two interior angle we have to find. So with the help of the property we will solve it. Okay. So what is given here? X plus 50, okay, equals to 120. That is exterior angle of a triangle. Now this is what property? Exterior angle of a triangle. In that what we study? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Okay. Again I will repeat. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So this is an exterior angle and this is an interior opposite angle. So x plus 50 equals to 120. So value of x we will find by subtracting 120 minus 50, we will get what? 70. So value of this x will be here 70. Okay. Now here I will write 70. Now in the interior angle, now only find that sum of the interior angle of a triangle is equals to 180. In that one measurement given, that is 70, other given it is 50. So third angle we will find first by doing this addition, and the answer which we got we subtracted by 180. So here I shown 70 plus angle y plus 50 equals to 180. So 70 plus 50 it is 120, and value of y we will find by subtracting 180 minus 120 which is equals to 60. So here the value of y is what? 60. Okay. Now wait just. If the value of y is 60 here. Okay, here we got what? 60, and value of x we got here 70. Now just check it whether our answer is right or wrong. So interior angle measurement is equals to 180. That means 60 plus 50 plus 70 equals to 180. So it is a triangle. Okay. Now exterior and interior angle sum is also 180. So when we add this number 60 plus 120, again it is 180. So our answer is here correct. Next question, see. Angle y is equals to 80 degree. Now how you find here? See, 80 degree here shown. The value of x without measuring I can tell it is 80 degree because of the property of vertical opposite angle. Already we studied that vertical opposite angle have same measurement. Okay. So here the value of x is what here? 50 given. Sorry, value of y what given here? 80, and one measurement they told that is 50, and x value we don't know. So again we using the same property, that is angle sum property of a triangle. In that x plus 80 plus 50 equals to 180. So 80 plus 50 will be 130. Okay. Here 80 plus 50 will be 130. So x plus 130 equals to 180. So value of x we find by subtracting from the total, that is 180 minus 130. We will get what? 50. So value of x is here what? 50. That we find here. Okay. And value of y we find by using the property of vertical opposite angle. So when we add this 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 80, 180. So our answer will be here correct. Now third question, see. Here what given? Y given plus one side given, that is 50 degree, and second one is 60. So first we will find the value of y. So how we will find? Y plus 50 plus 60 equals to 180. Every time you have to write the reason, okay, which property we are using. So which property using here? Angle sum property of a triangle. So y plus 50 plus 60 what it is? 110 equals to 180. Okay, so value of y will be 180 minus 110, which is equals to 70. Okay, so here the value of y we got what it 70. Now we have to also find the value of x. So now when we finding the value of x, we find that it is an exterior angle and y is an interior angle. So by the linear pair, so linear pair measurement is again 180. So if in the linear pair of a triangle, if we find that it is a 180, out of that one measurement we know that is 70. So we will get the another measurement also by subtracting 180 minus 70. So we will get what? 110. 110. Okay, so value of x is what here? 110. Now if you check that exterior angle property, in that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite sides. So just we check, here it is 110, opposite side is this one, so 60 plus 50, again it is 110. So by using any property we can find that the answer is our correct. Okay, now next question, see fourth one. Here one measurement given 30, value of y given that is 90 degree. Okay, it is a right angle shown here, and x we have to find. Now with the help of the vertical opposite angle, we know that the value of x will be 60. Okay, because here exterior they show that 60 degree. This one angle is what? Vertical opposite angle. Now y is showing a right angle, that means its measurement is 90. So no need to find, just check it. 30 plus 60 plus 90 equals to 180. Okay, so here if you writing the value of y equal to what given here? Plus 90. Okay, y they don't not given, but actually showing that this angle show that it is 90 degree. But if you doing the addition of 30 plus 60, we will get 90 plus y equals to 180. So when we subtract here, again we will get what? 90 degree. Okay, so value of x is what? 60 and value of y is what? 90 degree. Now fifth question, see. Here also x, and y given. Now first we will write the value of y by using the property what? We know that vertical opposite angle. So value of y will be here 90 degree. Okay. Now next, x plus 90 equals to 180. Okay. Or we can also write this one, x plus y equals to 180. Out of that, one we know that is 90 degree. Okay. So now we will write here 2x plus 90 equals to 180. Okay. Now when we are finding the 2x, we will get what? 90, means 180 minus 90 will be 90. So value of x will be 90 divided by 2, we will get what? 45 degree. So this value of x will be 45 and here also it will be 45. Okay. So when we add this number, just check it whether it is correct or not. 45 plus 45, 90, 90 plus 19, again it is 180. Okay, so value of x what we got here? 45 and value of y is what here? 90. Now see the last question, sixth one. Here angle 1, 2 and y is given. Okay. Now here adding both the side, we just see first what is given here. Y equals to x. Okay, so this one, see, y equals to x. Reason what? Vertical opposite angle. Like that, angle 1 is equals to x. Again reason is same, vertical opposite angle, and here angle 2 and x is equal. Okay, so this is given here. Now adding both sides, we have what we having here? X. Okay, y is given here. Y plus 2 plus 1. Okay, y plus interior, just see y plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to what? 3x. Here it is 1x, 2x and 3x equals to 3x. Now this 3x, its measurement is again equals to 180 angles, sum property of a triangle. So value of x will be 180 divided by 3. We will get what? 60. Understood what we done here? 180 equals to 3x. So value of x when you finding, this 3 will come downside here. That is 180 divided by 3. We will get what? 60. So value of x what we got here? 60. Okay. So here it is 60. That means angle 1 measurement is also 60. Okay. Here also 60. That means angle measurement of 2 is also 60. And here x is an vertical opposite angle of y. So here also angle measurement of x is 60. So value of y is also 60. So inside we see that angle 1, angle 2 and angle y measurement is 60 degree. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 equals to 180. Okay. So it is a which type of triangle here shown? It is an equilateral triangle. So student, here we have completed our exercise 6.3. Thank you.